time, never on a wasting shawty. I do it how you.
What up, you guys? And yeah, you already know we're actually going to Universal Studios. This is actually my first time going there. It's like saying if I'm going to Disneyland. That's also true. I haven't been to Disneyland yet. Yes, it's pretty sad. But yeah, I'll see you guys in a little vlog here.
It feels right, it feels right, yeah. I can only say that it feels right, it feels right, it feels right, yeah. I can only say that it feels right.
Hey guys, we're in Universal Studio. I can't wait. I'm a little kind of excited right now.
Thank you. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Easy, girl. All right. Tight grip on that toddler, sir. We'll see how well that chemical.
The sun is creatures ever to live on the earth. Despite their mass and size, these gentle giants pose no threat to us.
This is insane. We've never done this before, and yeah.
Area 51.
Area 51 right here, boy. It is, or is it Transformers? I don't know, you guys. Lately, the beginning of the whole morning, it was really good, you guys. It was amazing. How was the ride? It was amazing.
That was terrifying.
Yeah, it was terrific. Come on, let's. Just had a stomach full, and the pizza was great, you guys. But now we're gonna go to a tour of Studio Jimmy Falling. Let's go.
Backlot, Courthouse Square, otherwise known as Hill Valley, from Back to the Future. This whole area was used as Hill Valley in Back to the Future in all three films. In fact, it became... engine and a Ferrari-shaped body we put on top. My favorite vehicles, the ones from Back to the Future here. The most environmentally conscious cars, of course, are the Flintstone-mobiles. Actually, foot-powered. No engines, had to be pushed. And no collection at Universal will be complete without some of the fleet from the Fast and the Furious. The blue and gray Nissan Skyline there was driven by the late Paul Walker. We have a Jeep Wrangler, the Jurassic World, the Jurassic Park series. Speaking of the Jurassic Park series, the Jurassic Park series has become one of the biggest film franchises of all time. Each film breaking records left and right, with Jurassic World now coming in as the fourth biggest
Damn,
film of
who
all
knew?
time.
All the planes we flew, good things we've been through. That I'll be standing right.
Lady Gaga fills her juice. You remember what happened the last time you left the water running, don't you? Yeah. That.
Yeah.
Yes, what it says, our flash flood simulation. I know what you're all thinking right now. Boy, you guys waste a lot of water around here. Actually, we don't. There's a pump underneath that bridge, and now thousands of gallons of recycled water are that giant shark hanging on that pole over there. And that giant fin. Wait, that's Hank? Hey, Hank? I don't think it's a good idea for you to be in there, man. What, you just gonna go ahead and wrestle that shark anyway? Well, I'll give you this. You certainly got guts. And there they are. Oh yeah, we gotta get out of here, James. Quick, get us one of the safe spots in the back lot. I'm gonna ask everyone to please remain in their seat. Yeah, that's not good.
Oh, later.
Saw that?
Is that an actual 747? And the answer is yes. It is a decommissioned 747 that was acquired out of the airplane graveyard in the Mojave Desert for the bargain actual downed aircraft. He called it in. There were a lot of calls made that day. And speaking of calls, I'm getting one myself. I apologize, folks. Let's see what's Agent Novak, Morgan.
Oh no, we're in heavy part right here in the background, baby. Ooh, sexy. Oh, yo, let's go. That's when they crashed.
When?
Into there. And we got the little city of walls. Let's go. A Walking Dead, boy?
Yes.
Holy shit. Look, this is the hospital. So guys, we're in a Walking Dead now. We're gonna see exploring everything that we'll see. Sorry you guys can't hear me. I think that was in the thing. Well, the Walking Dead was pretty cool. What do you thought?
It was dumb.
You heard him, guys.
You! Come here! Yeah, that's a grown man. You want to pick us up? That's a grown man. Come here, brother. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Get him! Get him! What'd you do? How'd you break down?
Close the gates! Mac, keep a lookout.
Helen!
Safe! Come help me.
Hello. It's good to see you alive. Where have you been?
Feast your eyes on this.
It's pure dirt. How'd you come by?
Listen, I've been to dry land.
Dry land's a myth.
No, it's not a myth. I have been there. It's our salvation. We can all start new lives on dry land, but we have to hurry. The deacon and his smokers are after me.
Smokers in the distance! Battle station! It's heading! It's coming from the south! Get down!
Breaks in the wall!
Ready the water cannon.
I know, it's weird, huh?
Smokers! Force into me! Look out!
Direct impact. Give me the gun. Get that girl for me now. Go, 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 go! What are you doing, Kurt? What are you doing? The Mariners way over here. I can see him, and I've got one lousy eye. You gotta make that thing go faster. Go! He's got guns. He's got water, and he's kicking our butts. Stop playing with her. What? Look at that! Oh, we're gonna run him. No, not the girl! Find me another weapon. Well, you're the life of the party, aren't you? You're not gonna destroy my plans for dry land, you gillneck. Oh! Are you okay? No! That's 2. stop kicking people. What's wrong with this? Ah. Shut up! Kurt! Duck! Sorry about that, that's my bad. I need something bigger. Well received. Hey, fish boy, look what I found. Big Bertha. Okay. Do me a favor up there and stand in one spot. 3. Yes! No! You hit my plane, hero! Way to go, champ. You killed my plane. And you think it's Benny?
Hey! Deacon!
Hey, what? No! Howard! And you! I'm taking you with me!
The fuel tank's gonna blow! We're not gonna make it!
Alright guys, hope you guys enjoyed the vlog today, and don't forget to leave a like if you're new, subscribe please, and also almost to 200 subscribers, you guys. I'm really excited, and thank you guys so much for all your support and all that, and I'll see you guys next Saturday. Peace out, and I'm probably gonna do a prank video, so yeah, just wait you guys, and yeah, thank you guys so much. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
And I'm never on a wasting shawty. I do it how you say you want it. Them girls, they just wanna take my money. They don't want me to give you nothing. They